Bright QT. Every student matters.
So see here, we have to find the square of the following numbers. So what we have learnt today is, we have learnt Pythagorean triplets. We have learnt if a number is there whose unit digit is 5, how to find out the square of that. And we learnt about the patterns, right? So just to see here they're asking find the square of the following numbers. So the first number is 32. 32 square can be calculated by putting 32 as 30 plus 2 whole square. Clear? So we know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? This identity we know because when we multiply a plus b with a plus b, we get this only. So a here is 30, 30 square plus b square, b is 2 here, plus 2 into a into b. Clear? So just see, 30 square is 3 3s are 9 and number of zeros will get doubled, plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 into 3 is 12, 120. So we get 900 plus 4 plus 120 is 124. So when we add 900 and 124, we get 4, 2 and 10. We get 1024. So square of 32 is 1024. You have to apply this identity to all the parts of this question. We will discuss each of them one by one. Let us try the second part. In the second part we have to do for 35. Square of 35 is 30 plus 5 whole square. Clear? So 30 square, that is a square plus b square plus 2 into 30 into 5. So we get 30 square is 900, then 5 square is 25 plus 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 5 is 30. So we get how much? 300. Just see, 2 into 5 is also 10, 10 into 30 is 300. So let us add them all. 900, 300 and 25. We get 25. 9 and 3 is 12. So we get 1225. This is the square of 35. I hope this gives you a clear idea of the identity how to use, right? Let us try the third one. It is 86 square. So it is the third part and we are doing 86 whole square. 86 can be written as 80 plus 6 whole square. So we will apply the identity a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Let us do it. 8 8s are 64, 6400 plus 36 plus, just see, 6 2s are 12, 12 into 8. So just see, 2 into 80 into 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 8s are 96. So we get 960 here. Let us add them all. 6400, 960 and 36. Here it will be 6. 6 and 3 is 9. 9 and 4 is 13. 1 is the carry. 6 and 1 is 7. So we get the answer as 7396. So the square of 86 is 7396. Clear? Okay. Let us do the another part. Let's see what's the fourth part. In the fourth part we have to find the square of 93. So let's do for 93. 93 whole square can be written as 90 plus 3 whole square. So 90 whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2 into 90 into 3. Right? So 90 square is 9 9s are 89, 81, 8100 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 2 3s are 6. 6 into 9 is 54. 540 we get. Now we are going to add them all. So now we will add them. 8100, 540 and 9. So 9, here 4, 5 and 1 6, 8. So we get the answer as 8649. Square of 93 is calculated. Is that clear? Let's go to the another part of the question. The next part is 71. Let us solve for 71. It is the fifth part. In the fifth part, we have to solve for 71. 71 can be written as 70 plus 1 whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. So we get 70 square. 7 sevens are 49. 4900 plus 1 plus 70 into 2 is 140. Let us add them. 4900, 140 and 1. Just add them. 1, 4, 9 and 1, 10, 4 and 1, 5. 5, 0, 4, 1. This is the square of 71. Is that clear? Let's see the next part. What is the sixth part? In the sixth part, we have to calculate for 46. So 46 whole square can be written as 40 plus 6 whole square. So we get 40 square plus 6 square plus 2 into 40 into 6. So just see 40 square, 4 fours are 16. 1600 plus 36 plus 6 twos are 12. 12 into 4. Can you tell? 6 twos are 12. 12 fours are 48. And this 0 is here. So let us add them. 1600, 480 and 36. We get 6, 8 and 3 is 11. 1 is the carry. 6 and 4, 10 and 1, 11. Again a carry. 1 and 1 is 2. So we get 2116. That is the square of 46. So I hope this question gives you more clear idea about how to find out square of larger numbers, because multiplying 71 with 71 would consume more time, and here we are doing the simple calculations that can be done orally. Is that clear? Let's move ahead now. Here is another question where we have to write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is given to us. So in the first one, we have been given one member as 6. We'll consider it as equal to 2m equal to 6. M is equal to 6 upon 2, that gives us 3. So yes, we can equate 6 to 2m, because doing that we are getting m as an integer. Okay, now if m is 3, what will be m square minus 1? 3 square minus 1, 9 minus 1 is 8. And the last one would be m square plus 1, 3 square plus 1, 9 plus 1, that gives us 10. So the numbers are 6, 8 and 10. So this is 2m. This is m square minus 1. This is m square plus 1. These are the three Pythagorean triplets that we have to calculate. If we know any one of them, we can find the rest of the two. Let's solve the second part. In the second part, we are given 14. So keeping 2m as equal to 14, m will be equal to 14 upon 2, that gives us 7. So yes, 7 is an integer. Now keeping m as 7, what will be m square minus 1? 7 square minus 1. 49 minus 1 gives us 48, and we will get m square plus 1, that is 7 square plus 1. So 49 plus 1 is 50. So we have 14 as one of the member, 48 as another member, and 50 as the third member. That means the three Pythagorean triplets are calculated like this. Now we have to solve for 16 and 18. Let's do that. In the third part of it, we have 16 as one of the member. We'll keep 2m as equal to 16 and m is equal to 16 upon 2, that gives us 8. So we know m is 8 and that is an integer. So yes, one of the member is 16. Another members are calculated as m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. So we'll do 8 square minus 1, 8 square plus 1. 64 minus 1, 64 plus 1. It will be 63 and it will be 65. So the three Pythagorean triplets are 16, 63 and 65. Is that clear? Last one, I think now it has given you much clear ideas about how to solve or how to find out Pythagorean triplets. We have been given 18, keeping 2m as equal to 18, m is equal to 18 upon 2, that gives us 9. Let us find out m square minus 1, that is 9 square minus 1, that is 81 minus 1 gives us 80, and m square plus 1, that gives us 9 square plus 1, 9 9s are 81, plus 1 we get 82. So the third, in the last question, the Pythagorean triplets are 18, 80 and 82. clear? This is how we find out Pythagorean triplet. So 3 things to keep in mind: 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1.